Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed the new chapter internet, in which we have discussed what is internet and how to use the internet. After that, students, we have discussed what is downloading process and how to picture or other thing we can save through the downloading process to our system. Students, now we are just sharing this PDF. Through this video, we want to tell it's another part how to save a text and how to save picture. Okay, students. So now just going to share picture, share your PDF file. Students, everyone have a book, students. So please everyone see on your book. Okay, students. So now I'm going to share PDF file. Students, previous class what we have done, students, how to search the internet means if you want to search from the internet to what you have to do, and the search engines, different types search engines is here, Yahoo, Google, Alta Vista, then many more are there. Okay, students, what is web search engine, what's the use of it here, and how we can interact with them. Next, how to we will search, what should keywords should be there. There is given web search engine runs the search text against the database, and after that what should be recommended when we are using the internet. They are given here, spend time before you search to analyze what it is you are looking for, use nouns in your queries, and also there avoid the conjunctions, verbs, adverb and other adjectives, use keyword proper way, phrases properly. If you are using the sign, you can use the and operator sign. Start your search by using the 2 or 3 related words, just like we have told on previous class. If you want to start you want to correlate with the internet, so you just write it's a benefit or harmful, how this harmful internet and how this benefit for internet. Okay, downloading from the web, how to download, we have told also these things, use the save as command. Then after that, how to save the text, just we want to tell again better, just see everyone. First of all, so the desktop. Okay, students, now open the Google Chrome. It is net is say students, suppose we are writing here about anything, there's given about science. Okay, it is open now. Suppose some pictures. First of all, we just want to talk about text. Okay, uh, what is science? Now it is opening. What is science? Suppose from here we have, okay, right click here and copy. Clear, students? Now students, go on the Word file or Notepad file, WordPad file, also you can paste it. So we are just opening the Word file, MS Word file. This is Word 2016. Taking time, students, so don't worry. Now students, with the mouse you have to do paste option, or with the shortcut keys Ctrl plus V. We have done, also we are doing now Ctrl plus V. Say students. Okay, students, this is Ctrl plus V. Same here. So this is text. This is text. There is given student how to save text on a web page. We have two options. If you only want to portion of the text, simply highlight it and that text by dragging the mouse over it, and then use the copy command from the edit menu. To copy the selected text, you can now paste and selected text into another application such as word processor. Word processor, we have taken MS Word. Same thing students here telling. Here also, just with the help of mouse, we are dragging here. Okay. Now right click here, copy. Now go on the students. With the mouse you can do what? Paste option, okay, or Control plus V option. Both way we have done students. Okay. So students, your second option is given. If you want to save the entire page, you can use the save as command from the file menu. This will save the entire HTML page. See students, right click here, save as option. Okay. What is science? If you want to web page complete, then if HTML only, see students what happened. Save. I have saved now students. Desktop. What is science? This picture has not come. See students, there is given the students. Now you can see students, they are given here in this option. If you want to save the entire page, you can use the save as command from the file menu. This will save the entire HTML page, but it will not save any picture or other graphics appearing on that page. But something has changes student here. If whatever the saved students here, here you can see in the desktop we have saved this one. The picture has not come, but if you want to picture, then what you have to do students, now I am telling. Right click here, save as. Okay, the HTML page only is given. We will select here the complete. Okay, then what happens students? We just change your name. One we have written now. Save. Now file has been saved students. Taken time, but now saved. Okay, now I'm showing students. See there. What is science? This is what is science 1. Now when you will see this, the whole picture has come. In this, see there is no picture. This is only what is science. And there is given the with picture. So if you will save only the HTML page, students, if you are using the save file, if you want to save entire page, you have to select the save option. Just now I am showing students. See students. This one is save as. Here when you will go, you have to see there are 3 options: web page HTML only, web page single file, web page complete. If HTML file, no picture will come, but when you will complete, so each and everything will come students. Clear? I think students, by this option you can how to save the file with picture. Now you know very well students. Okay students, so now next options. Next is here how to saving the files. Many websites contain files intended for downloading by visitors to that sites. These may be images, songs, data, or set of documents. As an Adobe Acrobat PDF file. A well-equipped browser will be able to display or use many of these files directly. If so, saving many of these files only require the same right click and save browse. It's not the same like when we are sending the in-app, this is a file of PDF file, that document. you just what you are doing, students, you are download when you click on the link, huh, you are getting the PDF file. Okay, because PDF file is making the link when we are uploading, when you are uploading in the app, and you are getting, when you click on the link, then you are getting that PDF file. So this is the process known as the downloading. When you our PDF file you are downloading, and uh, you are seeing on your system, and when you will save it, then this is permanent will save. So this way, this is the same way saying, huh? Only the require the same right click and save approach. Same thing as saying the file displayed, simply right click on the display area, the same way you would for an image. A dialog box will appear allowing you to save the file. Okay, and how to save the image? The same way, students. To save an image, place the mouse pointer over the image, a right click with the mouse, a menu will appear offering a save image as an option. Click on that options, a dialog box will appear, usually with a file name already selected. You will use that file name or selected one of your own, or change the directly into which you are saving the file. You will need it to find the file later. Press save or save to the file. They are widely there are a wide variety of the format used for website graphics. The most common are, there is given picture gallery. You can save the pictures. I am showing students. See students, same. Open this. Suppose this picture you want to save. Open the first of all Chrome, and now I am writing here about internet. Okay, suppose this is the images. Okay, any image, right click here, save image. Okay, now there, download and desktop, and you can choose here this PC 3D object, download, document, music. Music is music, picture. Yeah, you can save here, download. If you are making any file, new folder, and this is the internet. Right click, double click on it, then only the internet image. You write a image, save now. Okay, now file has been saved. Now if you want to see, go on the image option, you will go. This is a picture option, photos. First of all, go this PC. Okay, here you will see that pictures. Okay, the folder we have made internet. Yes, the picture already saved, students. Clear, students? Okay, uses of internet. Clear, students? Again, I am telling students then how to. Now other. Clear? Go on the same way, Google Chrome, open now. There is the picture of Excel. You want to see another image. Suppose about science related picture, images. See students, many images are given. Okay, we selected this one. Right click here, save image as, and where picture. Internet. Suppose next you are making with the science folder. You have to write beta science, because they are science images will come. Here write science. Save. Okay. In the option of picture, go on the science, then science image. Click on it, double click on it, then you will get. Okay, students. So this way you can save the image. Whatever given here in without the picture gallery, you can save it. Our picture is saved in the GIF form or JPG. Graphics interchange format. Graphics interchange format or JPG, that joint photographic expert group. Students, whatever we have saved the file, we want to show you. This is saved as a form of the we want to show you its properties. JPG, okay, dot JPG file, okay. Whatever we are saying file, that is the form of a JPG file. It's internet also. See students, properties. They are yes, this is not a JPG, this is GFIF. Okay students, so they are the source of from which source has come this picture. That is very important. Clear students? So I am showing this one. Here two sources given: GIF, the graphics interchange format, whatever changing the graphics, and JPG, the joint photographic expert group. Another items to look for its animated GIF. Means you have seen that in WhatsApp group, if wishes the good morning and any other candles is burning, like if any goddess has come, that like wishes the good morning this way, any other persons and flowers, that is the flowers flowing this way. If you have spent any time surfing the use recently, undoubtedly you have come across the images that move. These are animators and are formatted. These are animated. These are animations and are formatted as animated GIF. Animated GIF can be saved in the same manner as a regular GIF. Okay, student, there is given animated GIF as can be saved in the same manner as a regular GIF. Occasionally, you will come across from MPEG, a moving photographic expert group as well. They are not like animated GIF. This is just like a different. Think of them as movie clip. Some small clips are movie clip. They can also be saved following the same steps. Whatever saved, we have the picture, a small document. As the same way, MPG, that is the moving photographic expert, also we can save issuance as the same line. They can also be saved following the same step. Before taking the information from any website, you should know about the website, like in the example there is given, suppose www.yahoo.com. Students, we just going here, we have discussed. Students, here we have discussed the how to what is the difference between the GIF, JPG or MPG. GIF, this is only picture. JPG, there is only picture, but MPG, there are moving picture, moving file. Like moving picture, that means what? Suppose in WhatsApp, you are seeing that a candle is burning, a flower is flowering, such a small movie clip. This is also we can save as the same manner how we are saving that picture or images. Clear students? So next option is here, students, given. There is given the suffix is .com. Yes students, before taking the information from any website, you know website name. Suppose here we have a website www.sandhimacademy.com. Okay, you should know about the website, like in the example given www.yahoo.com. So .com, Yahoo, www is a web, what should be World Wide Web. Yahoo is the company, that is the organization name. .com, it tells what about the organization is opening for operating the network. Most common suffix are .com is showing that like commercial purpose. This is commercial site. Here given the list of the common suffixes. Everyone can see on a book, and also I am showing students. .com is commercial site. Students. .com is a commercial site. .org, that organizational site. .edu, it is the purpose of education, like a school, colleges or university site. .gov, it is the purpose of government site. All the government site is writing that the last .gov. Net, network services site. Mil, military site, MIL. So if you will see, suppose www.yahoo.com is showing that it is the commercial purpose. If .org, place of this org, it is an organization site. Okay. If .edu is given, it is the college or school, that is education purpose. Gov, that is government purpose. Net, network services, and Mil, that is military service. We want to show you students. See everyone. Suppose here we writing here www.yahoo.com. See students, what will open? This is commercial purpose students. Next, if government, www.gov. This site is not available. Okay, that's why not, means this is not a government, that will not showing. This is trying all government site. Say students. National Portal of India, Government Indian Web Directory is given. See students, there is given. Say nic.in, they are given students. This is not geo indirectly .nic.in. National Portal of India, students. See this, india.government.in. India.government.in. In is showing what? In is showing it is a Indian website. Okay. Gov is a government India, so it is Indian portal sites. Okay students, list of the useful website Government of India, that is linked to useful website. It is opening students. There is given Consumer Finance, Department of Justice, Federal Case, just all the government site .gov. If you will open this one, Consumer Finance Protection Bureau, you will see students, see here, consumerfinance.gov. That .gov, we just talking about a .gov, the government site. Next one is anyone here, US government agencies. consumerfinance.gov. So students, we can see here .com, .org, .edu, at government, net, like this. It is the at last place of just like a .com is given here. The same way, this all options will be given. Then you can recognize ki what type of this company or what type of this links. Okay, if .com is given, that means commercial site. .org is given, that is organizational site. If edu, educational site, you can easily identify. Now we just talk about the students. Most international website use suffixes which indicate the country in which the site originates. Some of the more common international suffixes. Suffix means that's the last word. If .ca is given Canada, we can say in India there is given .in is given India. .uk Great Britain. .fr France. Just I am showing students. .in. See this. .join Indian Navy .government .in, that is Indian. .amazon.in, that is Indian. If wikipedia.org organization, okay, and IC.in, that is Indian. That all are in is given the Indian. Student, there is given suppose Canada.ca. We will write here .ca. Here not showing students. .com. Okay. .ca. That is the CA is that is about the CA is thinking that. See, .cira.ca is the Canadian connections. There is a Canadian presence requirement for individual organizations. Okay, choose your .ca domain, that is CA, that is Canadian. Clear students? So this one is given. Now students, same way China, Australia, Japan, they all the things are given. When using the search engines, you can see the URL of a website. Before you choose to go that site, knowing beforehand that a website is not what you are looking for, because you can see that by reading the URL can be a real-time saver. It means what's saying that when using the search engines like Yahoo, Google, you can see the URL of website before you choose to go to that site. If you want to any site, if you are choosing the best way, you just see the first of websites there, knowing beforehand that the website is not what you are looking. If you are seeing that website not according to you, then you can first of all find out what type of URL you are using, students. Okay, clear students? So here students, most of things we just knowing that about the internet. And next is recap is given, students. I mean, what we have learned. Search engine, that is type of word phrases. Web search engine, how to we interact with them. Interface between the users and the our means just like if you are downloading a text, downloading to find something to web from web for your system. If you want to save the online web page, then you can save as command. You can use the save as command. Showing many of these files, then requires right click and save options. GIF images, okay. MPG, the moving, we have told that it's a movie clip. When you search in that, you can see the URL of website, okay, this way. Student, there is a question answer, what is web search engine, what is downloading. This question answer we will send today, students. So don't worry, and also answer question answer and the true false. So students, this thing you have to write on a notebook, and whatever we have done today, and you have to also practice at in your system. Okay, students? So students, now you know very well how to use of internet, and students, whatever we have today we have discussed, that should be practical work at your home, and question answer we are sending, and you just write on your notebook. Also we will make a worksheet, and you have to do practice and learn better. It is very important for you, because very soon is going to start your annual exam. So everyone, students, do well. That is the very important for you. Okay, students. So now I am leaving the class. God bless you, student. Thank you, students, and Jai Hind, beta.